All right, on Thursday, oil seeing a mild bounce, but this after nearly breaking into the $41 range on Wednesday. The question is this: have we seen the bottom for crude? Welcome to Trading Nation. I'm Brian Sullivan. Bill Baruch with iiTrader. Chad Morganlander with Washington Crossing Advisors. Bill, what do you think? I mean, every time you try to call the bottom, not you, the market tries to call the bottom on crude. We seem to go lower yet again. What's your take?
I don't think the bottom is in. I think we're going to hit about 40, 60 to 40 bucks at some point here over the coming weeks. But in the very near term, I think there's a tradable bottom. We've seen a large increase in the short positions on managed money, about a 40% increase as of last Tuesday. And I feel fairly certain that the report that comes out this Friday for this last Tuesday will show a larger increase in shorts, and that gap of 160,000 net long contracts in managed money will tighten. I think that is starting to signal that we're going to get a bit of a tradable bottom. Sentiment is very bearish. We also have a tropical storm on the forefront. So really, I think you don't want to be pressing shorts down here. Wait for a bounce back up to about $44 to $45 and look to sell at that point.
Okay, and Chad, listen, I know you're not a commodity trader, so I'm not going to ask you about oil itself. I will ask you this, because I believe if you think that oil is near a bottom, you as value guys might be starting to buy up some of the big cap oil companies. So are you doing that?
So we actually do, Brian, forecast oil in order to come in with what our revenue expectations are for oil companies. And we would avoid oil companies at this point. Our expectation is for lower lows in oil over the course of the next 18 to 24 months. Yes, you can get this short-term bounce, but there are real fundamental issues around the market that people have to consider, like, for example, the technological changes in the shale industry, making the cost of bringing shale to the market substantially lower than it was 24 months ago. We believe that that will continue to accelerate. Or the solar industry and what the cost will be 5, 7, 10 years from now is also a bearish indicator for us. So I wouldn't be surprised to see oil prices go into the mid-30s over the course of the next 12 months.
Wow.
So I would be avoiding this entire sector altogether. And let me lastly say one thing. Oil prices have been moving up and down based off of fiscal stimulus in China, as well as credit growth in China. And as they tighten the reins on credit growth, so too will oil go lower, as well as many other commodities that are tapped into that economy.
Okay, interesting point of view. And I guess you are a commodity trader in a way, Chad. I didn't mean to sell you short there, buddy. I apologize for that. All right, so Chad, very negative on oil there. Bill, we appreciate your view as well, guys. Thank you very much. Oil is a big story once again. I'm Brian Sullivan. Once again, thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.